Good afternoon. What I am going to do is to make a summary of what I wrote in my memo. Basically, the first thing I figured out our client wants to know is if international regulations for air, space, and high seas allow and favor the investment in drones for recreational purposes. And I found a convention that is called Convention on International Civil Aviation. This was a very helpful convention, and based on said convention, we can firmly say that they do favor the investment of drones for recreational purposes. But we have to take a look at particular situation in order to make an informed decision, because international laws, such as this convention, give some sort of freedoms to states for them to determine or to legislate on the use of drones in their own borders. The next thing to speak about is Mexico. Our client wanted to know the regulations for drone in Mexico. And what I can say is that there is regulation issued by the SCT, and the country does have a specific set of rules for operation of drones, but they favor people willing to invest because the requirements set forth by the government or by the SCT are really minimum. The next thing I figured out our client wanted to know was the countries of the world that had the best practices and regulations concerning drones. And after thorough research, I found that Brazil, Australia, and New Zealand are the best to invest in because of the following. Basically, they all have permissive laws that let people and companies use drones without having a lot of restrictions. And they all have great landscapes, which can prompt the rental of drones for picture and video recording. Thanks for listening.